just moved to San Diego, attending law school, and first week of school, my tooth chips, and actually it was a bonding that I had on my tooth that cracked, and of course I had to make an emergency call to the doctor, and thank God he was able to fit me in on a Saturday, so thankful for that. Booked a flight, and here I am getting it.
Flew in, had a rough flight in here, and we are
Yes.
we are on our way to getting this tooth nice and fixed.
Yay! Got everything fixed and it looks amazing. Got a whole new, a new veneer, and in a short amount of time, my smile looks amazing and normal again. As you can see, fast and convenient, and like I said, it's done in office. So, I mean, I've got it all done in just a few hours. I'm ready to go back home to San Diego.